Hi everyone, my name is Alina and I'm a student at the University of New England. Today we're going to talk about magnesium and heart disease. So what is magnesium? Magnesium is a mineral our body needs in small quantities, but it has many functions in the body. So some of the functions are helping our heartbeat, maintenance of blood pressure to be normal, and also helps muscles, nerves, and bones as well. Sometimes people get low levels of magnesium, especially people that have heart disease. Many times they have low levels of magnesium, and some of the reasons are first not eating enough fresh foods that are high in magnesium, and second is having trouble absorbing magnesium due to all the medications they're taking. So what do we do? People who have heart disease should take magnesium supplements so it will make their heart stronger and healthier and won't have any heart failure. What about food? Well, food high in magnesium is very important to eat, not just for heart disease patients, but it's good for everybody to eat. And what are some of the foods that are high in magnesium? So some of them are squash and pumpkin seeds, brown rice, dried figs, spinach, soybeans, mackerel, the fish, peanut butter, which I'm sure everybody likes, cashew, sunflower seeds, and dark chocolate. Yes, dark chocolate also is high in magnesium. So all these foods are high in magnesium and are really important to eat. So magnesium is actually equals to healthy heart. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching.